Alright guys, today we're gonna be asking random college students to play Uno with us, and if they win, they get Starbucks.
I get to play, right? I'm getting this dub?
Hey, he could get the dub,
Yeah,
but we don't know if he's gonna get that dub, you know?
I'm getting this dub. No.
We'll see though. Alright, let's get this. Alright guys, we're going to the library right now because my boy said there's a lot of people.
That's the best place to find people.
Yeah, they said that trios, quadruples, right there. So we're going there right now.
I said duos and trios. Went to my mouth, dog.
Hey guys, do you guys want to play a quick game of Uno?
Yeah.
Sure, awesome. Alright guys. Okay, whoever wins gets Starbucks. Quick game of Uno with us. We're like gathering a lot of people, and then whoever wins gets Starbucks. It's on. Oh my god.
Wait, so I have to draw 6? I hate you guys.
We're calling.
I know, it's against that.
Damn.
Wait. It's okay. You did your favorite.
Wait, I didn't favor. Okay, so she didn't have that color.
What color did you put down? Green? Green.
Has to be. She did have
So
it.
she has a green. No, but that's block. That's a block.
Oh, it could be a bit.
Block in there. But you, I think you just won. Go.
My turn?
Yeah.
No way.
That's all I'm watching.
Hey, you still on the same team. Wait, we get each other's names. I'm Sue. I'm Andrea.
I'm Jimmy.
Omar.
You know, I have a feeling you're Indian.
You're Jimmy? You said Jimmy?
Yeah. You look like a Gabriel.
I look like Gabriel? Yeah, I think I look the same. I think so.
Wait, were you guys like in this like together? Or no? Like playing like the game? Like
No.
No? Okay,
No,
gotcha.
no.
I was like, no, they trying to make us.
No.
I was like so sus. I'm like,
Nah, I just hit a bunch of cards and we just came out.
did you?
People do that, though. Like they have carpets and they hide it under it. I'm like, oh my god.
Can you imagine like a whole deck down here? I was like watching. I'm like, I didn't even try to look at my card. I was smart though. He was like, oh, I'm bluffing. Because I was.
She was bluffing. Oh my god.
Because I said, oh, you did me a favor, but because I didn't want to let you know that I had green. Wait, so did you have green? I did.
She did have me. That's what she won.
That's why I won. Because he didn't have it and then he puts on a green.
Omar.
You got
Omar,
played.
you messed up.
You got
I
played.
said she's bluffing.
You got played.
So you effed me up.
You got played.
I think she wins.
What the hell?
How do we have the same?
Oh, I would have won too.
Just imagine. I think they planned this.
I was gonna change the
Right.
color.
I was like, let's get him to tell us.
I was like, yo, let me change it to like red or something. Just red.
It was fun playing with you guys.
I reverse with a skin and handy.
Should have told you guys I'm too good at this game.
That's cat. That's block.
Okay.
That's block.
Alright, chill with that now.
Okay, girl, I'm not trying.
Yeah, JGF underscore.
I love making you Can I get a caramel sap? I'm happy.
What do you think, bro? Was that fun? You took an L. Under the link below. Yeah, he got an Instagram, YouTube. He's trying to like put up like a sport.
It's gonna be a sports page.
Yeah, he's gonna
and
put a
then
sport
later to
page.
expand.
Yeah, guys, it's gonna
Lots to
expand.
come.
Yeah, he's gonna be the NBA one day.
Yeah,